Good day, everyone. So we are here to learn about Python programming, and right now we'll be discussing about sets. So set in Python is an ordered collection of unique elements. So sets are defined using curly brace or by calling the set function. Unlike list or tuples, set do not allow duplicate values. So this makes them useful when you need to store a collection of distinct items or when you want to perform common set operations like union, intersection, or difference. In sets, there are different characteristics of a set in Python. We have unordered, mutable, no duplicates, and heterogeneous. Unordered is the items in a set do not have a defined order and you cannot access elements by index. While mutable, you can add or remove elements from a set after its creation. We have also no duplicates. Sets automatically discard duplicates elements. And last is heterogeneous. Heterogeneous, you can mix different data types like integers, strings, and etc. in a set. Okay guys, so now let's have an example on how to use sets in Python programming. Okay, first thing to do is we'll create our sets and our variable name my sets, and we're going to put a value of our sets between the curly brace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When using sets, if you want to add value, then you just only to put the dot add. So we'll put a value of now 11, and now we're going to to print or display the value of my sets. So we will run the program, and this will be the value of our set. So we have added 11 on our set. Now we'll be removing an element from our sets. Again, we just only use that remove, and we will remove the value number 6, and we will print we'll call the my sets ready to display. So we run display. So now our value here, you'll see that we remove already the number 6. Hello, we have here another set example. If you have a value of your list that have a duplicates, like for example this one, the best thing to do is to use a set. No, by doing that, you need to convert your list into a set. So we have an example code. Sample set is equal to set sample list. So on our list, we've already converted it into set. So the next thing to do with that, now here on your set sample list, the duplicates have been removed already. So the next thing to do is to convert that set into list. no? Convert it back into list. So we'll use another variable name, sample list1 is equal to sample set. Now it's been converted into list, our sample set, and we can display that one as unique values already. So the value now are 1, 4, 5, 6 if you have seen this one. Now we will have another set examples, no? So in a set, there are set operations. We have the union, intersections, and the difference. So set are also useful if you want to perform operations like finding the common elements or combining sets. Right now, we will create the two sets, X set and the Y set. We have here a value of the X set, string values. So we have A, B, C, D, E, and for the Y set, we have the C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. We'll convert that one into a string first using the double quotation. So now we will have a union. We will combine the X set and the Y set. So by combining that one, since it's a set, all the values will be unique. So there will be no duplicates. No? So the value here, meron tayong duplicate value na C, D, E. So now it will become A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So since it is a set, once you display it, it's only a randomize. The next is the intersection. These are common elements between sets. So what are the common elements that we're going to display? So we have the X set and the Y set value or the CDE. So dapat yun lang yung magdi-display. No? So you have the CDE there. So yan. So the next is getting the difference. So getting the difference, so elements in set A but not in set X set but not in Y set. No? But not in Y set. Yung mangyayari, if we're going to get the difference of the X set minus Y set, the value ng will be AB na lang kasi ni-remove na si CDE na nandun kay Y set. Okay. So we have here another example, a symmetric difference. Using the symmetric difference, we will use this symbol in between our X set and the set B. So we will have right now an example code, X set and Y set. Yan yung symbol ng between ng X set and Y set. Yan to get the symmetric difference. So let's display the code, display the output. So yan, so this is the example. Thank you.